PSG Konsult focuses on financial advice, stockbroking, asset management and insurance.
Been around a long time. PSG Online, Jaap de Tooy built the business. Francois Ghost runs it now, but it actually only listed on the JSE in 2014. Prior to that, sort of traded over the counter. But it's a sizable player. We'll see in a
Market
minute.
cap 8.8 billion rand. And based on its interim results published in October 2014, PE ratio of 22.8 or 22.9 and a dividend yield of 1.8%.
Yeah, so just to set it out, 200 offices, broad range of financial offerings. So insurance, direct equities if that's what you want, financial planning. They've got an asset management division. They do insurance. They've got life stuff going on. So their ideal client is someone who is prepared to turn over their financial life broadly to one of their advisors. And in some instances, they even integrate with business services related to audit and so on in their old consult network that they had right from the beginning.
Share price graph will give us a sense of where we are.
Yeah, so we're showing 1
broadly
year because we can't show a 5-year chart, but you can see there similar sort of trend if you think back to those others. A little bit of a rising market, and then as the market gets very tough in the second half of last year, people start getting a bit anxious about earnings and results, although the recent earnings were good. You know, they've aggregated an enormous, like 320 billion rands worth of client assets, of which probably about 150 billion are managed. That's where they earn a fee, and the rest are people that are looking after their own
How does the
portfolios.
performance stack up against the other players?
I think pretty good. When you've got diverse portfolios, you can't always tell like what everybody's performance is, but in their own asset management unit, they've done fine. They've got a couple of their funds which have won prizes over time. But I don't think their real intention is to try to shoot the lights out there. They just want to quietly aggregate more and more assets, headquartered down in Tygerberg in the Cape, and just rumbling forward. The good thing about private client assets is once you've got them, they're very sticky. They don't go away.
Although private clients could be a little worried in the current environment. I'm sure you're getting your own fair share of phone calls on a daily basis.
Indeed, that happens. But at the same time, provided your client service levels are good, people understand that it's, you know,
A long-term
the market,
investment play.
and the market you win sometimes and you don't win some other times. So it'll be a function of how good their client service levels are. And I think that could be slightly variable from branch to branch, but they've got some good people.
Hot or not? Think about this. How long do you want? Do you think 30 seconds? Take your
I'll
time.
go hot on it. I'll go hot
Are
on
you
it
going
just
hot?
because, as I said earlier, I think probably people's expectations about the market are too low.